Okie dokie, folks, we got Treokology's 3-in-1 collapsible bucket. And right away I notice a nice solid plastic here. 2 places for cup holders. Looks like we can put straws or maybe utensils down here as well. And this top panel here is about 17 3/4 of an inch by about 10.5 inches this way. This has 2 hinges on it, one right here and one right here. We can pop those open like this and the lid comes off. Now taking a closer look at the bottom side of the lid here, you see that it has 2 metal legs here so you can stand it up like this. And that will stand at about 6 inches tall with a clearance at this lip of about 5 1/4 of an inch. We also get the bucket right here that does have 2 handles on it, as you can see, one right there and one right there. And when the bucket's collapsed down like this, it stands at just about 3 inches tall. But we can easily pop it up as well. And you'll see that it stands much taller now. That looks to be about 8.5 inches tall. And lots of room on the inside too, with over 9.5 inches of space in between here and here. And from this edge to this edge, it's about 16 3/4 of an inch. Adding the length of this lip in any direction right here, we'll add an extra 3/4 of an inch, so an extra 1.5 inches this way and this way, and an extra 1.5 inches this way and this way to get the outer dimensions. And it's kind of pyramid shaped, as you can see, so it's a bit smaller on the bottom, where it's about 14 inches across this way up to the outer dimensions, and about 6.5 inches across this way to the outer dimensions. It's solid plastic up through this part, and then down here you get this rubbery vinyl texture right here. And that's where it's nice and flexible until you come back down here to the solid plastic. As you can see, I'm filling it with a lot of stuff. I'm just throwing stuff in here, even this giant bottle of vegetable oil to show you how much space is in it. And then when you're ready, you can just pop this up like that and take it over to, say, like a washing station to go wash things out. It's great for camping for that reason. So much space in it too. So you get the collapsible bucket, you get the little dining station, and they go easily together as well. You just collapse this bucket back down into itself like that. We collapse these arms back down into the top of it like this. Those click into place right there. And then we just flip this piece over like this with these flaps open, assemble the top, and click it into place on both sides, and it's ready to go. And you can even carry it away like this if you want to.